Alright, Micro Dude here again, and I'll have my special unboxing here, my new Flysky FS-GT5 surface transmitter here. This is great for any kind of RC like trucks, boats, anything on the surface basically that hobbles around on on local roads or on the track or even on the in the parks and whatnot. So I have a bunch of transmitters, but basically wanted to get this one because this one has some special features that I wanted to be able to take advantage of. And one of the main features that I wanted from this thing is that it has it's got like a built-in gyroscope that enables you to keep stable while you're basically driving your RC. So that's something that I wanted to do because I got a new buggy, a new Red Cat buggy that kind of spins out of control whenever I floor and give it gas. So I wanted to take advantage of this type of system to be able to minimize that. So let's look at what's in the box here. So you got your quick start guide here. Then we got an extra little mount here for your bottom hand for the bottom of the side of the transmitter. And then let's see what else we got here. Not too much in the box because it's just pretty basic. And we got your transmitter here, and then we got also over here is your receiver. So this is a special receiver that has a built-in gyroscope. I'm not sure if this works because I have a Flysky for some of my other transmitters, so I don't know if this will actually work with those other transmitters yet. But I know this receivers. This receiver though has the built-in gyroscope, and that enables you to take advantage of that extra feature. So let's look at this real quick here. Take it out of the box here so you can see the model number on this little guy, because this you can order separately and whatnot. So let's go over here, see what we got here. All right, that was a kind of a short antenna, so that's way short. See how short that is? That's not even what, let's see here. So 10 inches here. Oh, let me go up a little bit higher. So it's only about maybe 6 inches, less, 5 inches. So this antenna is only about 5 inches long. So the model number on this is the FS-BS6, and that's FS-BS6 receiver. And basically it says here, let's go in better there. It's a 6-channel receiver. You see it there? 6 channels. Okay. It goes all the way up to channel 5, channel 6, and then bind. So this is good for, I think a lot of rock climbers and stuff get this special transmitter so they can take advantage of all their rock climbing things that they have hooked up to their little trucks and whatnot. So let's take a closer look here at the bottom. Let's see how many batteries it takes. Let's open it up here. So 4 AAA batteries goes right in there. And does this come off? I don't think it comes off. Nope, I don't see it coming off here. So maybe you could just throw in some rechargeables in there. That's what I got. I got some Antelope rechargeable batteries anyways. I'll have to get those real quick so we can turn it on. And then let's see what else is on here. We got a channel 3 right here on the side. Your steering directional trim there. Channel 4 is right here on the inside, channel 4. And then we got on the top here, side trim, throttle trim right there. Then back here is the on-off switch. Nothing on the right. We got empty holes here, I guess, where the screws go. And then up here we got channel 5 right there, channel 6 right there. So lots of channels for a surface transmitter, which is kind of cool. And it has, I'll be honest with you, I was kind of hesitant on getting this because the pictures that I saw online, it has like, I'm not going to lie, this part here looks pretty decent. This could be a little better looking, but not going to lie, this part here looks El Cheapo. I mean, it just looks cheap. I'm sorry. Very cheap looking. It doesn't have like a nice quality. I mean, it's not ugly, but it's just very plain and simple, and I wanted something a little bit better than that. So let me get some batteries real quick and plug this bad boy in so you can see what it looks like once I power it up. Okay, so I got the batteries in, and let's see what happens when for the first time powering it up. Let's go. All right, so check that out. So, of course, gives you your model number there, your voltage of your batteries right there. Now, those are some nice green LEDs there. And there's also lights up on the back. Let's see. So, I basically don't know anything about how this works. So, how does this thing work? Okay, so this, basically you got to move, this is like a joystick. Uh-oh, Model 1 there. How do you move it around? Huh. Okay, oh, right there. This is kind of weird. So I guess I pick the one I want. Oh yeah, so you press it to engage it. Bind. This is the back button right there. All right, so you can move across right there. I think this is it right here. CVS. Yeah, that's the one. I think that's the one that gives you the calibrate. Okay, I don't want to do that. Let's turn it off for now. Okay, crawl. See, he's got crawl mode on there for the rock climbers, fail safe, trim, ABS, automatic brake system off, EXP sub. It's pretty good. Name. So I believe this takes up to 20 models. So let's see. Yep, 20 models. So that's pretty good. So with one remote, you can control up to 20 of your RC cars and stuff with this. Boats, because I got boats. I got like three trucks, buggies and stuff. So I got a lot of different things I want to hook this up to. And basically, now let me see. Is there any way to for the channels here? Let me see. Name it there. Reverse EPA. I gotta look over some of this stuff here. I don't think there's any way to set up the channel, so they're just set up accordingly. Okay, so that looks kind of just simple. You set up your channel and that's it, I guess. I don't know. Let me go over to trims. Yeah, channel 2. So trims, look at that. Trim can only do 1, 2, 3, 4. So trims can only do on 4 channels. Okay. Let's go back. Fail safe, crawl. What about maybe? Okay. So that's pretty much all I want to go over. Let's see if I have some more information here on the manual regarding the gyro thing that initializes. Yeah, look at this. Look at this side here. Is this English? Okay, so this is the English side. I don't see really much here at all, besides how to install the battery, really, buying with the receiver, factory reset it. That's pretty much it there. Wow. So it doesn't really go into details. This is just really basic. This is like a starter's guide only. Nothing really major there. So that's basically it, ladies and gentlemen. Again, this is the Flysky FS-GT5 transmitter from Flysky. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Until next time, peace out.